I'm going to be showing you how I made my race simulator. As we can't race on track this year, I'm going to be doing a lot of sim racing on the Xbox, so I need a race simulator. We have old race seats, but they're just not very comfortable, so if I'm sitting there for hours, I need something comfortable. So, another use for one of our dead Saxos. I'm going to be taking this seat out. It's also on rails, so if my dad wants to use it, who's a lot taller than me, he can just move the seat back. I don't really know how I'm going to do the rest. Let's see if I can get the driver's seat out. How is this attached? It looks like Torx. So what should have been a 5-minute job taking the Torx bolts out with easy tools took a little bit longer because I'm an idiot. Right, so I'm sure, as you know, I'm not the most mechanically minded, but I took out the 4 simple bolts, and out comes the seat now. It's as easy as that. With the rails as well. Oh, unplug the airbag sensor. Right, so next step, I got this piece of wood, cut it in two. So I use these as the 2 rails that the chair sits on. No idea what I'm doing or how I'm going to attach it. It's not going to be strong enough. So the rails weren't the same height because this attaches from the side. This one attaches from the top in the car. Attach this one here now, that moves. Attaching the second plate on here. Finding it very hard work. Pretty annoying, really can't bother to finish. I suppose I have to now after all that. So now I'm going to screw the base on. So here's the next step. It's going to be the base for the wheel and the pedals. It's got a lot of holes in it because I've been using it with the Xbox in here and it gets hot. So I drilled all these holes. The steering wheel on its composition is too high. If I put it on here, it'd be too low. So here we have it. Here's my race setup at the moment. Chair taken from the Citroen Saxo. Made the little stand for it so the rails work. There's the Thrustmaster TMX force feedback wheel that I got. Pedals down below. No clutch, but that's okay. And I've been predominantly using Project Cars 2 because that's what a lot of my fellow drivers are using. And I don't know about you, but it's incredibly hard. I suppose practice is needed. So, I'm going to be using my full race tube pedals. Let's see how it goes.
Be careful, it's a trap!